What's up, and welcome back to Monday Mornings with Morgan. Today we're going to talk about protein. So, are you getting enough protein in? Is something I want you to think about today. As a trainer myself, I have worked with hundreds of clients, obviously mostly women, and the resounding answer to that question is no. We are not getting enough protein in. And so, guys, protein is going to help you thrive. It's going to help you build muscle. It's going to help you have longevity into your health, into your metabolism, into your bone health. And so there's so many incredible benefits of protein, but making sure that you get enough of it is very, very important. So I'm just gonna have some quick tips today to make sure you are eating the right protein and enough protein. But like I said, number one, protein is the building block of your muscles, okay? So if you're not getting enough protein in, you are likely not building that lean muscle that you're working so hard to build when you're at the gym. And why is it important to build lean muscle? Not only does it have good benefits for your overall health and for your bones, but it also is going to help your metabolism. It's going to help you burn more calories at rest and increase your metabolism so you can burn body fat, right? So if you're in the gym working hard, lifting heavy weights, but not getting enough protein, you are likely wasting your time at the gym. So it builds muscle, okay? Protein is a building block of muscles. Muscle mass equals longevity, like I said. Muscle mass equals longevity. And guys, I'm not talking, and ladies, I'm not talking about getting super, super swole and super, the Incredible Hulk. I'm just talking about building lean muscle mass in your body is incredibly important for your health. So that's my first little fun fact about protein. Number two is it is the most filling macronutrient, okay? So if you are not getting enough protein, you are probably hungry all the time, okay? So increasing your protein is not only gonna help you stay full longer and feel satiated, but it's going to prevent you from likely overeating or eating the wrong foods because you are continuing to have those hunger pains. So eating more protein is going to help you feel more fulfilled after each meal that you have that protein in, and help you maintain a good healthy weight, help you lose weight if that's your goal, and again, help you build that muscle. So I've got a couple tips. Number one, you should be eating protein first thing when you wake up and last thing before you go to bed, okay? First thing when you wake up, last thing when you go to bed. It's gonna start your day off right. I would suggest 30 to 40 grams of protein in your breakfast. Most of the time, you are likely not getting that. Anyway, I think the average that I read was anywhere from 15 to 20 grams of protein in your breakfast. I recommend 30 to 40 grams of protein in your breakfast, okay? Whether that's through eggs, whether that's through a protein shake, whether that's through some sort of Greek yogurt and you're adding protein to it, okay? There's so many different recipes out there that you can look up, but 30 to 40 grams in the morning at breakfast, and then also making sure that you're ending your last meal heavy in protein. Okay, throughout the day, you're still gonna wanna consume protein, but make sure those anchor meals, morning and night, are filled with protein, 30 to 40 grams. Number two, making sure that you have good protein, okay? Good protein. So not all protein is created equally. I'm gonna speak from my personal experience and how I choose protein, but I'm gonna look for whole food protein first, right? And so that's gonna be my animal meat, my grass-fed beef, my free-range chicken, my cage-free eggs, something that has a quality source, okay? Because a lot of the times our protein is filled with antibiotics, or it has hormones in it from the animals that they were injecting hormones in to mass produce all of the food that we need. So you do want to make sure that you're reading those labels and that you're selecting quality protein, okay? Because if you want to get the amount in, you want to make sure that it's not also being consumed, you're not also consuming poor ingredients or ingredients that are counterintuitive to your overall health. So I'm looking for quality meat, I'm looking for quality sources of protein in my whole foods, but also in my supplements. All right, supplements are getting more and more popular because we are not able to get the same nutrients from our whole foods anymore, or we're just busy and we're on the go. And so you may be encouraged to eat a protein bar or a protein shake or have some sort of supplement in your lineup throughout the day to make sure that you are getting that protein in. But make sure that the protein that you are eating, the supplements that you are consuming, has also clean ingredients in it. Okay, and that's why we made our Burn Nutrition, because we felt that there was a gap in the supplement industry where everything was getting artificial sweeteners in it. The quality of the protein was not there. So we have grass-fed whey, we have no artificial sweeteners, no fillers, Okay, we're gonna give you quality stuff. It's everything you need and nothing that you don't. So make sure you're turning around that label and looking to see if there's anything in there that is fake, because you do not want that in your body as well. Again, this is my personal experience and I am sharing it with you of what I look out for when I am getting my protein in. And so my last tip, if you don't have any idea how much you're consuming, number one, I want you to shoot for 100 grams of protein per day. If you have no idea what that means, I would really encourage you to pop open your phone and go to some sort of free food tracker. Okay, MyFitnessPal is a good one, and I believe they have a free trial, but you can go there and just start to log your food for a couple days, and it will show you how many grams of protein you're getting. And if you're getting under 100, I would really encourage you to sneak in protein or increase your serving sizes of protein in your main meals throughout the day so you are reaching at least 100, especially if you are working out. Because again, if you are working hard in the gym to break down those muscles, you need to build them back up with our most important macronutrient, which is protein. So thank you guys for listening today. Go get your protein in. Go subscribe to our Burn Bootcamp YouTube channel so you never miss a podcast. Again, talk to you later.